Hello. Hi, this is Calgary Canada. Hey, can I order one chicken biryani? One beef curry and one chapli kebab and with 2 extra naan. Okay, and okay, 20 minutes. Okay, I'll see you there. Thank you. So guys, so it's gonna be very interesting vlog, and why it's gonna be interesting, I'm gonna let you know in a bit. So welcome to Enjoy Star Food. As usual, Dia is behind the camera. Okay, so instead of the chicken biryani, can you do chicken tikka, please?
Yes, we can do it.
Okay, so chicken tikka, beef curry, and chapli kebab, okay, and 2 extra naan, okay? Okay, see you in a bit. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, so biryani is sold out there, guys. Just call me back. So unfortunately, we don't have a biryani, so we ordered chicken tikka. So let's go. Okay, so it was suspense a little bit earlier. So what happened? We have a newly restaurant open. Mostly is takeout, but this is the one of the cheapest, I'll say, food prices in Calgary. Right now we're going. Their name is Kabli Pulao. It's kind of a Afghani cuisine. But they have a lot of dishes, and all of them is under $10. Believe me, guys. So all of them is under $10. So I'll put their menu in the middle of this video. So I'm going right now, picking up the food, whatever I ordered, and then we're gonna share with you sitting inside the my vehicle, and I can show you what they have it. Because it's mostly takeout, and you can sit there as well. I'll show you the ambience as well, but I think so I'll prefer to sit inside of my car and share the taste and their quality with you guys. So see you in a bit. Kabli Pulao restaurant. Let me show you inside. I'm just drop off here to pick up my food. As you can see, you can come here and sit as well, and you can enjoy your food. They have flights as well, guys. Okay. So look at that. That is their menu is. And mostly dishes are under $9, and chicken biryani was $5.99. Do you believe? Oh man. So they have other dishes as well. So we're gonna try 3 of those today, and they have this counter as well. So I'm just gonna pick up my food and gonna share with you guys. So guys, I pick up my order and I'm gonna show you. Here you go. It's a lot of food, guys. You believe me? This is under $26. You guys believe? Okay, we're gonna share with you. Okay guys, we're gonna open our surprise box. It's not a surprise, but a surprise for you because of the price. I order extra 2 naans, right? So every dish come with 1 naan, you know, so I order extra 2 naan. So we'll see what have. We have some napkins. They give us napkins, right? I'm gonna put here. This is the first of the dish. Let's see what's in it. Okay,
oh, wow.
So here is the chicken tikka.
Yeah.
Right, and they give us some salad, cucumbers, lemon, onions, and those chicken tikka with the 1 naan. And believe me, this is $7.99, right?
I think so,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's a $7.99, guys. You believe it's a full meal. $7.99 full meal. Okay, what we have it here. Okay, here you go.
Oh,
So
wow.
this is a chapel
Wow,
kebab.
wow, wow, wow.
So two patties, two chapel kebabs. Right, you see that? Come with one naan, onion, green chili, lemon, and also cucumbers. So here we go, and this is also $7.99. Could you believe, man? Okay, so they give us two green sauces. Not sure what kind of those are. And the third dish which I order, it's a beef curry.
Oh,
It's,
wow.
you see that? Oh, it's a very good quantity. 2 spoons in case we need it. I don't think so we need it. You know, I'm gonna take it out of the curry, put in the plate. So you can see the quantity and the quality of the food. You see that? Oh man, how? Okay guys, so I'm gonna put beef curry into plate so you guys can see the quantity. Look at that, guys. This is $6.99, I believe.
Yeah.
Look at that, man. How many pieces of beef? Did you see that? Holy moly. Look at that. So, it's very economical. Especially for those people who are student and or who are not cooking in the house, their own houses, so they are very economical. Very nice prices. I never see those prices before in Calgary. So let's dig in. Take a look how many pieces of the beef curry, man. You see that? Oh man, you see that? How many? It's a man whole meal. I don't think so one guy can eat 4. See that? It's very nice. Let me start with the chicken tikka. This is, you see that? A little bit seem like charcoal and overcooked maybe. But let me try without the naan first. This is the chicken leg actually. Wow. Smoked. Very moderate spices. Oh man, it's very good actually.
Mild spices?
Yeah, mild spices because Afghan cuisine. Plus, there is some kind of sour, kind of maybe lemon or something like that. There's a maybe vinaigrette, but very good, guys. Very good. I love it. This barbecue. It's very nice. Very flavorful. So let me put some cucumber, onions, and I'm gonna try some rocket bite in the car, man. It's a very confined place, so I can't move freely. So let's dig it in. Naan is so fresh. Very good. I'm gonna open actually
Chutney.
Chutney. And I'm gonna try with the chutney as well. Let me try chapel kebab. Look at it, those big patties. Let me tear off. Which is that? Let me taste without naan first. Right? Good. Mild as well because the Afghan cuisine, so they use less spices. But the people those love the moderate spices, this is for you guys. And let me check with chutney. Yeah, oh. There's some vinegar in the chutney, coriander, I can feel it. It's very good, and it gives you a little bit of kick of chili as well. So it's very good.
And viewers, can you believe it? It's the month of December. We are sitting in the car,
Oh, yeah.
and the temperature is -9 going on.
Yeah, it's just very.
And we are giving you the review of the Calgary Canada restaurant. So we are working very hard. So please share, like, and subscribe our channel. It's not easy to do kind of this review in this -9 temperature.
Nice
and
temperature inside.
-9 temperature in the car.
So let's taste the beef curry. You see that, guys? You see that it's very thick. A bunch of beef pieces. Let me break those pieces. Actually, I just want to make sure like how tender. Oh man, not bad. You see that?
Much tender.
That's very good. So let me check this sauce and a piece of beef. Take it. Again, more red spices. Little bit salty side, but the quality of the beef and the quality of the sauce is very good. Oh man, it's very good. Anybody who love more red spices and looking for economical food within like less than $9 range, you're gonna have all those dishes less than $9 with the actually coming with a naan.
Yeah.
So man, love all of the dishes. So thank you very much to watching us. Please hit the bell button and keep us watching. Subscribe us. That is an appreciation for me and Dia, because as she said earlier, we are doing very hard. So we need your appreciation in form of subscription. So please hit the bell button, and we will share you next time another flavorful vlog with
From the
other-
Calgary, Canada.
and from some other restaurant. So thank you very much for watching, and
Thanks for watching.
see ya.
Bye.